Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I will discuss about how to transfer your photos and videos and data from Android mobile to USB. Guys, this is a very simple method. Guys, transferring data Android to USB, you need to one OTG. Here guys, this is my OTG, and simply now plug the OTG into your Android charging port here as me, and this is the interface. Tap on setting OTG and allow OTG from here, as you can see appears on screen, and simply close this window. And guys, now plug this USB into OTG as me, you can see appears on screen. After that, simply find out file manager. Here you can see top right corner, tap on file manager, and you can see all file available OTG and my Android data is, and simply tap on OTG. This is your OTG data, USB data here, and guys, select the file you want to transfer from USB to Android mobile. You can see I want to transfer this file. Simply long press here and scroll here. You can see simply tap on copy, and this file copy has been successfully, you can see appears on screen. And now go back here and simply tap on internal storage, and this is my Android mobile storage, and select the folder you want to move this here. Simply paste this here, tap on it. Now wait for some seconds. Guys, you can see my file successfully transferred USB to Android mobile. Guys, now I want to transfer Android mobile data to USB. Guys, now simply go back from here and tap on here, tap on mobile storage, and guys, now select the file you want to transfer. I want to transfer this, and simply tap on copy. Now go back from here and tap on OTG. Here guys, select the file you want to move this file from here. I am selecting here. Now simply tap on paste and wait for some seconds. Here guys, my file successfully transferred in within seconds. Guys, you can transfer data from USB to Android and Android to USB by this method. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.